All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the action. Let's begin with the bout number 11. The flyweight division is back in the action at the Warriors Dream Series 15, the fight night. Speed, endurance, and experience. This is where every second counts. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Raw Fitness Bhubaneswar, trained under the coach Vishwadev Patnaik with an impressive amateur MMA record of 15 wins and just 4 losses. Make some noise for Amadeus. Sanjeevan Padwal, holding a battle-tested amateur MMA record of 28 wins, 10 losses, and 1 draw. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vijay Yadav.
So Vijay Yadav from the red corner steps into the ring. You can see the crowd. The crowd is excited. He is definitely a crowd favorite.
This is experience versus the ambition. This is speed versus the pressure. This is flyweight clash is built for the fireworks. This is Warrior Dream Series 15, the fight night, bout number 11. Here we go.
We have Amareswar Sen from the blue corner fighting out of Raw Fitness Bhubaneswar, and we have Vijay Yadav from Fit and Fight Club fighting out of the red corner. This is a flyweight bout, 56.7 kg. And round 1 commences. Both of them gauging each other right now, performing a distance check. Nice kick by Vijay. Amareswar going for the takedown. He has him pinned against the cage. Can he finish though? Can he finish the takedown? Vijay defending really well right now. And there's the knee by Amareswar. And Vijay completes the takedown. Amareswar really needs to be calm and composed. The crowd is against him and he's in a non-dominant position right now. Vijay will look to transition towards a submission or a ground and pound entry. Vijay has his head trapped. They're in the north-south position now. And Vijay punches Amareswar's ribs. Rib shots are very deadly in combat sports. The rib shot could cause bruising, breakage of a rib, as well as cause the fighters to gas out because it forces all the air out of your system. Vijay is consecutively landing those rib shots. That's a cage grab warning. Another strike landed. Amareshwar has Vijay's arm trapped in. That is a good sign for him from this position. That effectively prevents a ground and pound entry. And Vijay lands a clean strike. And another one. He is going for the ground and pound. He's trying to pass the guard now. Another strike. Two heavy hits landed by Vijay. That was another rip shot. That was a loud rip shot. 10 seconds remaining in this round. And the round ends. Vijay has landed quite a good shots from ground and pound. Let's see if in the round 2 can he take it to the finish. The corner advising him. We have the ground cam now. Round 2 starts now. The crowd cheering for Vijay. Amarendra tries. And that's a heavy knee by Vijay. That's a big one. Amareshwar tries to roll, but Vijay still has him in his control. Vijay getting into the ground and pound entry again.
Hold on.
He traps the leg.
Punches. One punch, face, body. Chal, go, buddy. Face, body.
And that's a big strike Vijay has landed. Another one.
Go. Control.
Can he escape and transition into that ground and pound again? That's what could end it right now. The crowd is erupted in chants of Vijay. And he lands another big strike.
नहीं मारा था विजय घुसाओ हाँ उचला नहीं आपण गो विजय हेड द्या चिंचा खाली घे दोन्ही पायाला लॉक कर कापी वॉली स्टाईल
And Vijay pulls him back to the ground. It's becoming seemingly impossible to escape his grip right now. Amareshwar needs to maintain composure right this moment. Another big strike. There's a barrage. Vijay has pulled Amareshwar right to his own corner. You can see the corner is giving him detailed instructions. That's a really great advantage. There's the close-up. He pushes him away. And he traps the arm. Can Vijay get into that ground and pound? So he was trying for a heel hook, but heel hooks, as you know, are banned in amateur. And a big strike by Vijay. There's the clapper. There's 10 seconds remaining. He lands another strike, and that's the end of round 2. We transition to round 3 of the fight. Vijay, as of now, is dominating Amareshwar on the ground. There needs to be some sort of switch up in Amareshwar's game as of now. So we head into the final round of the fight. Let's see in what direction does this fight go. Do we get a finish or does it go all the way to the decision? He goes for the takedown again and he completes it. The crowd is again cheering for Vijay. That has to be a huge boost to his morale. Amareshwar is back in the same spot again. It's becoming increasingly impossible for him to escape out of this exact same situation. The pressure being put upon by Vijay seems too much to handle right now. Pure domination by Vijay going on. Vijay lands another strike. Amareshwar needs to transition into a submission. Maybe the triangle, maybe get an Americana. It's going to be very difficult considering the pressure Vijay is putting. But right now, that seems the only way for Amareshwar to win this fight. If this goes the decision, it's going to be very hard for him to clinch a decision win. Vijay lands a big knee. Vijay is pinned against the cage. Now is the time for Amareshwar to take him down. Can he complete it? Can he complete it? He has again followed his corner and that has gained him a reversal. His strategy is working quite well. He's dragging Amareshwar to his own corner and the corner is instructing Vijay really well. Amareshwar is trying for a guillotine but it fails. Vijay is hearing towards mount and he is in mount. There's a chance to finish this by ground and pound. Amareshwar escapes this. And he lands a big strike towards the end of the round. The third round is over. Vijay has done a great job.
After 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecard. Your winner by unanimous decision from the red corner.
Just look at the crowd.
The coaches
You
to
can
please
see the
step
support
inside.
right now.